Hi viewers, today we're going to look at inserting the current time into Excel using an Excel VBA time formula in Excel 2013. In order to do this, first of all go to the View tab and under the macro section click on Record Macro and give your macro a name. So I'm going to call this time underscore FX and then click on OK and then click on Stop and then go back to the macro section of the View tab and then in the drop down select View Macros, click on Edit Macros and then delete the comments in the macro code, and then I'm going to paste in the formula I created earlier and get rid of the duplicate sub and end subs. And you can see the error handling. First of all, before every line of code I write in Excel VBA, I put in the on error resume next code, and then the next line follows with the actual code. So it starts off with active cell formula R1C1 equals, which is saying within the active cell selected in Excel, enter the following formula. The following formula is called time value, and within the brackets it's got now, which is basically another formula that displays the current date and time. So the time value will extract the time from the current date and time formula called now. So I click on File, Close, and then in my active cell, if I go to the View tab in Excel and then click on the drop down for macros and then click on View Macros and run my time function, you can see the current date and time has been entered in Excel. So you can see there it's put it in AM PM format, so it says 4:11:56 PM. But up here you can see in the formula bar it shows it in the 24 hours format. That's it. That's the Excel VBA time function or formula in Excel 2013.